associated with practices that depict you in bias, favoritism, or nepotism in the discharge of your duties?
No, Mr. Chairman.
Could you tell this committee your financial net worth?
Chair, I'm worth 851 million Kenya shillings, including the assets I own, including the goats and the sheep and the camels that I own. So I had to go and even do, in 10 days' time, I had to go and value my 231 camels somewhere in Kitui County.
You are in Kitui County as well?
So my net worth is 851.
What is your current and anticipated sources of income?
My current source of income annually in terms of rentals and others is about 10 million shillings.
I will now open the floor to members.